Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. There are two ways that you can build tracks with Instruqt, the Instruqt CLI or the Web UI. In this video, we'll go over how to install and authenticate the Instruqt CLI with your Mac computer. First, let's head to our documentation page and click on the Setup Instruqt tab to get started. As we mentioned, there are two tools that you can use to build tracks. Let's click on the Instruqt CLI tab and select the link to the Downloads page. Okay, so here we see a list of download links. For the sake of this example, we are working on a Mac computer, so we'll focus only on the links that include Darwin. You'll see two listed here. The regular .zip file is the one we are looking for. We also provide a checksum file if you need to verify the integrity of the download. Let's go ahead and download the zip file. Now open up a new window in your terminal. Inside your terminal, you'll type in the following text. Feel free to pause this video now to copy the code. You can also copy and paste it directly from the documentation. If you've downloaded the CLI in the past, it might prompt you to replace Instruqt. If this prompt appears, you'll simply type Y for yes and enter your computer password. Okay, let's test the Instruqt CLI by typing the Instruqt command. If you have installed it correctly, you'll get this output on your screen. And it looks like we've correctly installed the CLI. Cool, now you're ready to build a track. For more information about utilizing the Instruqt CLI, head to our documentation page.